Welcome to week 4. This is the week everything changes. We've built powerful, efficient workflows, but this week we're going to make them intelligent. We are going to connect NA10 to AI models, starting with OpenAI. By the end of this week, your automations won't just move data, they'll understand it, summarize it, generate new content from it, and make intelligent decisions. The era of AI-powered automation starts right now. First, let's get connected. You'll need an OpenAI API key. Head over to platform.openai.com and create an account if you don't have one. In the left menu, find API keys and create a new secret key. Copy it. You'll only see it once. Now, back in NA10, I'll search for the OpenAI node and add it to my canvas. When I click on it, it asks for credentials. I'll create a new credential, paste in my API key, and save. NA10 will securely store this key and use it for all future OpenAI nodes. Let's build our first AI-powered workflow. We'll take a long article and have AI summarize it for us. My trigger is a webhook. When I send it a URL, it fetches the content of that page using an HTTP request node. Then I add the OpenAI node. I'll configure it to use the message a model operation and select the GPT-4o Mini model. Now for the prompt. This is where the magic happens. I'll write, "You are a professional summarizer. Read the following article and provide a concise 3-bullet point summary." Article, JSON.content, and I use an expression to inject the article content from the previous node. I'll run the workflow with a test URL. The HTTP request node fetches the article. The OpenAI node processes it, and the output is a clean, concise 3-bullet point summary. In seconds. That's the power of AI in your workflow. The quality of your AI output is entirely determined by the quality of your prompt. Let's talk about prompt engineering basics. First, give the AI a role. Start your prompt with "You are a role." This sets the context and tone. "You are a professional summarizer" gives very different results than just asking for a summary. Second, be specific about the format. Don't just ask for a summary, ask for a 3-bullet point summary or a 2-paragraph summary. The more specific you are, the more consistent the output. Third, provide context. The more relevant information you give the AI, the better it can do its job. Include the article, the customer's history, the product details, whatever is relevant. And fourth, iterate. Your first prompt is rarely your best. Test it, see the output, and refine it. Prompt engineering is a skill that improves with practice. You've just taken your first step into AI-powered automation. The OpenAI node is your gateway to a world of intelligent workflows. In your project today, you'll build a web content summarizer that you can actually use in your daily life. Tomorrow, we'll explore more advanced AI techniques, including classification and data extraction. The best is yet to come. Enjoyed this lesson? Stay ahead of the curve in AI automation. Join our newsletter at news@makeittakeit.org for the latest news, tips, tool updates, and upcoming events delivered straight to your inbox. We would love to have you in our community.